Beauty here, and today I filmed this Sunset Smoky Eye with my Morphe 35F and my Morphe 25B. I love this look. It's so pretty and it'll be fun for summer. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, please keep watching. And before you leave, please hit subscribe. Alright, so hopping right into this tutorial, I'm going to be first popping into this palette right here. This is the Morphe 25B. It's their Bronzed Mocha palette. So I'm going to be picking up this shade right here with my Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. And I'm going to be popping into this one right here. It's like a rust brown shade. Very tiny bit on this brush. Concentrating that a little deeper into my crease. Setting that brush down and popping into, this is my favorite brush of all times, my Morphe M514. I'm going to be picking up that same shade I just picked up with that fluffier brush and concentrating this one more into my crease. And intermittently, I'm not going to really show it, I'm going to probably skip through those parts, but I'm going to be going in with my Scone blending brush and blending all of these colors out. But that's just something you should always do when blending shadows, is picking up a plain fluffy brush and just kind of going over what you do, and it'll make your blending look so much better. So now popping into this palette, this is the Morphe 35F. It's their Fall into Frost palette. This is one of them that they're selling currently in Ulta right now. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of this little shade right here in this palette with the same M514 brush. Setting that palette aside again, going back into the Morphe 25A or 25B palette, I'm going to pick up this deeper purpley shade, and I'm going to pick that up on that same M514 brush. I can't get over this brush. It is seriously my favorite. Actually, I'm going to pause for a second and throw some translucent powder on so that I don't have some fallout. Then picking up this deeper purple shade with that same brush, and I'm just going to be concentrating these into my crease, and this one I'm going to put in the outer V of my eye. Picking up, this deep purple one. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it, when I usually don't like shimmers in my outer V and crease, but I mean, I'll make an exception. Alright, so now I'm going to carve out my crease. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain. And I'm going to be picking us up on a little e.l.f. concealer brush and carving out that crease. Now that I've got my lid carved out, I'm going to throw some NYX Glitter Primer on my little e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm going to throw it all over my lid. And I like to do this because it makes the shimmers stick for longer, which is something I need because I gotta go and this has to last me all night at work. So, I'm going to pick up this brush here. This is the Morphe M124 brush, and I'm going to be going, actually I don't know why I'm picking up this palette. I'm going into the 35F Fall Into Frost palette. And I'm going to, actually, hold on. I am going to take this palette and just slightly go over the harsh line of this concealer with a little bit of that reddish brown shade. And this is on my M433 brush. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Now that we got that done, we're gonna go into this palette. So first, I'm gonna be picking up a little bit of this deep purple shimmer and a little bit of this more like pinky purple shimmer on this brush. And I'm gonna be placing it right along in here. And just placing and patting and placing and patting. And then I'm gonna pick up a tiny bit of this brighter purple shade right here on the same brush. And putting it along that to kind of give it a little more of a like lightening effect from left to right, because that's what I want to do, is like a sunset ombre almost kind of look. Okay, then I'm going to be picking up a little bit of this pinky shade and a little bit of this rose gold shade right here. And then again, placing that right in here. And then I'm going to be taking a pencil brush. Hold on. One second. So I'm going to be picking up this Sonia Kashuk pencil brush. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of this gold shade and a little bit of this very bright yellow gold shade on this pencil brush and working that into my inner corner. I'm going to put a little more here. Alright, now for eyeliner, I'm still doing the same trick I was doing before, putting a little bit of my Maybelline Gel Liner on a little palette with some oil. I'm going to pick up this little pencil brush and I'm going to go back into the 25B palette and pick up this dark shade here. It's not quite black, I don't think, but it'll do. Oops. And kind of patting over my liquid line or my liner with this. In this palette, I'm going to pick up this shade on my M506 brush, and this is a tiny little fluffy brush, and I'm going to work this into my So for lashes for today, I'm going to be using these. These are the Little Black Dress Lashes by Kiss, and I don't know what they're called, what kind of collection they're from, but I love them. I'm going to throw these on, and I'll be right back. So, got my lashes on. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to start off by using my CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus in black. And I'm going to line my waterline with that. I think that's my next habit I'm going to break, is always using black eyeliner, my waterline. Yeah, so I'm going to drag it down a little bit and throw it onto my lash line too as well. So I'm going to pick up this brush. This is my M432 brush by Morphe, and I'm going to go into this one, and I'm going to pick up a mixture of this shade and this shade on this brush. Then popping back into this palette, I'm going to pick up this reddish purple shade and go over all of that with the I'm going to pick up some of my translucent powder. And I'm going to kind of go like this. Even though that's a little up here, a little high up. But I do this just to kind of give it a little more shape. I should be using a different sponge for this, but you know what? This is what I have right now. This is what I have on hand. It's just when you use like one of these tips, it's kind of hard to get it to go super small. Another thing this is good for is mascara. So for bottom lash mascara, I'm using this. This is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara by Got that all cleaned up. So for inner corner highlights, I'm going to be going into the 35F palette. There is like some amazing inner corner highlight shades, or pretty much just like face highlighting shades. I feel like this whole row could be like used as like highlighting shades. So I'm going to pick up this one right here and maybe a little bit of that. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner with that. Face highlight. Skip through this. Colourpop Wisp as my base. Then I'm going to pick up some of this Laura Geller highlight in Gilded Honey. It's a more gold one and I tanned, so this might actually match my skin tone today. I'm going to pick this up on this little Aesthetica sponge I've been using. One of my fave sponge, and it's $6 on Amazon. Blush, I'm first going to go in with this blush. This is my Toasted Cinnamon, and this is a Wet n Wild brush. And then I'm going to go over a little bit with this blush. It's by Sleek Cosmetics. It's called Coral. For lips, I'm going to go in with my tried and true, one of my favorite nudes. It's Colourpop's Strip. Alright, so that's it for this look. This is a super smoky sunset eye makeup look. This is fun and pretty, and summer's coming up, so this might be an option for summer. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.